Right, Project Kermit. A lot of things going on at the same time. We've got the sound deadening project across the whole car, including the doors, floor to some degree, roof with the foam cell or whatever it's called, which is that stuff there. I just finished installing the rock light edition, rock lights, crawling lights rather, 6 of them. So on the 80, where did I put them? So 1 on each side of the mudguard front, and 2 under here, boom, each side obviously, and the other mudguard right there. This one I was able to run, since I've got everything out, able to run from the inside, just like that. Now while that's going on, we've got rear vision camera project happening. I used to have one in the car and it's stuffed up. Mate, it's with the 6-inch lift, it's just too hard to see what's going on behind you. So I bought this bugger, the G840S from Amazon unit. And so the next update will include how I install this. I've got the camera there and I'm going to install it on this rear plate light contraption. I don't know what it's called. And I've just upgraded these to LED as well. So there's a lot going on. Luckily I had some LED bits there. So yeah, there's a lot going on. And I've got another project happening. I've got these fake, it's all for show obviously mate, it's nothing serious. I've got these fake beadlock rings that go in here. I've taken all of them off. Basically going to spray them, and the bolts that go around it will be green as well. So I'll give it a bit more of a fancy look. It's all for show. But I've had this car since 2008 and I know what it can do. Done plenty of forward driving in it. But now it's time for it to retire, put it on historic plates in a couple of years and just turn it into a little show car, what do you want to call it, because now that I've got the dirty 40 down there, she'll be the one that I'll be using for towing and moderate forward driving and going to the farm, etc. So yeah, that's where we're up with it.